Uncle, I'm Miss Camera was.
Oh! Hey!
Akwaba eba Yok FM afeisu HYTV so amane bo bia yensa aka na yebu mu e de akere onwande hye nyina awo Ghana asama beto epono so ene se radio adan afo chese amamboyfo bi atimi akopiem wo honom ama saa eye radio station no yabo eye presenter ba kwa enya asem keto akra wasen asese nyema bi kakra wo radio station honom na omanfo nsem a wo kan fa saa nsem yi hu no ukohwa na chese wo se eye songo lagoon project no anase salt project no enho asem ena amano abasa but no kreben ne was asem ni mu electrochem for na yede saa dwumadi ehye won sase wonko adan honom no monko tu nchene na nkofo bebre susu se saa nkofo we ene ta emranti a woka emranti a wokọ radio adan ekosese nyema ebro abranti a chese wo honom radio presenter no wokọ no no manfo bebre na ede nsem no ekọ electrochem for eso na so electrochem for chese nyomo na omo ye itiemu nchemu de nyankopon kwa na betimi a kire nemu Ghana Police Service at the chese letter B and I say press release B at the abeto dwa chese waka say on one money answer and I say man for money answer obetimi ahwehwe one for water actually and I say mrantia wotimi edi nyamra sem say ekọ radio station honom ekoye den ekobro abranti presenter yi nti wa obetimi aye saade no wo sika pudo bi a wo pese wo de emam sa sika no 10,000 Ghana cedis ena wo de ato so 10,000 Ghana cedis nti no Ghana police say wa obetimi aboa ama yehu imranti wo ko radio adan ekobo presenter no obetimi ama sa 10,000 Ghana cedis no na wo so de atwitwa ho afei so Ministry of Information eso de abetu dwa say e wo say aban ne fa Ghana Police Service no wotimi ehwe say sam mbrante wotimi kobo radio presenter yi wo adan radio no anase radio adan no obetimi aso wo mu na wo afei de wodi won agina embra anim ensem bi a kan ye ni ho na ye de esom wo nti no onim ma ye dan ne ho na ye ne abrante a chese ye bo no enkasa abrante no say na anka onya ekranko betimi akweti adwuma no na chese obeja adwuma no kra isanse osom community adan community no nemu onti asese sankofo na betimi asin atwa omo ho no ma bebo no say no kan nsem
Uncle, I'm Miss Camera was.
Oh! Hey!
Well, for now, I'm not feeling fine. It seems I carry a heavy load on my head due to the beatings they gave me yesterday. I don't know, but I'm not feeling fine. Both physically and then everything, I'm not feeling fine. What they did to me yesterday, I decided to quit this job. Yes, I decided to quit this job. But we'll see the steps to take next.
Oh, okay. So let's take it back. At which point of the program did these men, unidentified men, at what time did they break in?
Around 11:30 a.m.
Okay.
I was hosting a program, a segment, and so the people calling in and then share their views concerning the program going on. Suddenly, I saw some 7-8 young batsmen coming in. So you see, this is a community radio which is open to community people. Anybody can come here at any given time with his or her businesses. So I thought they were one of our clients. But when they entered at about a minute, I heard the front desk lady shouting. So I thought it's normal, this thing that they were doing. Then about 30 seconds, I heard them shouting, "Where is Noah? Where is Noah? Where is Noah?" Then I realized something is going to happen. So I wake up to close the door. And I close the door and I lock it. Before I came back to my seat, I heard a knock on the door. Open this door, open the door. Who's in there? And the one was shouting, "Break the door. Use your leg, break the door. Use your leg, break the door." Before I would sit, the door was broke and they entered. Without asking me anything, without telling me anything, they started the beating. And they beat me, dragged me from the studio to the corridor. They asked me to lie down. In fact, they gave me a beating severely. They beat me badly. That's what happened yesterday.
Okay, you had earlier said that, per the program you were hosting at the time, they didn't really concern anything, or they didn't have anything to do with Electrochem or Songo, as it were. So it would be quite strange for anyone to link the attack to what might be discussed on air. Can you touch on that?
Well, it has, the program is about marriage, a segment about marriage. So it has nothing to do with Electrochem. It has nothing to do with Electrochem and McDonough and his company. So I don't finger the reason why they were here. And I don't know, my brother, I don't know what prompted them to come here, destroy our equipment, and then beat me up.
Some victims might have, some victims indicated that these men who assaulted you claimed or warned them to desist from talking about Electrochem. In your case, did they also issue a new one? Did they also issue a new one?
No, that was general. When after beating me, when they were leaving, that's the message they left for us before they leave.
How many minutes do you think this might have lasted?
About 15 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Were you able to identify any of them?
None. They were on nose masks, so nose my caps. So if they were.
I will share no a presenter say na owo studio at that time. Ena wokobo no enya asem ketwa kra no manfo bebre na ena woka eho asem se ene na chese security de wo se ma emu ye den pa e wo honom na chese wokopie mu wo honom de e wo se police fo nyina eko timi epie mu wo honom na nka mo de bambo so kokra emma eye station no afei so amane boy yasan ate e wo sansem yi ho ene se sisi ano wo betu eye radio station im efi Friday na na say Thursday asem ni siye no Friday ebe payment no watu radio station mu a wo bomode ase obetimi asiesie niam bi a imrante ne eba ho no wo say ye na fade ye watimi ayeden watimi ato adwuma wodi ewo hodom so wonim say radio adwuma ne de equipment na de enti no equipment ni na no wo say omutimi tofo for na face omutimi siesie san de asese ni nyina but ye hwe press release and as statements ahodo a efi various agencies and as say ministries no my first one no Ministry of Information press statement abetu ja yen kan kakra emfa emma ahwefo ne atifo or say punish the attackers of Radio Adan eno and a headline and I say heading or say the Ministry of Information notes with alarm reports of an attack on Radio Adan in the Greater Accra region on January 13th 2022. The ministry condemns the report attack and has asked the district police command to ensure that the culprits are sanctioned. There is no jurisdiction for a group of people to physically attack a radio station and its staff for comments made on air. If a party aggrieves at media comments, there are legitimate legitimate and legal avenues for seeking redress. Enti yembo modern say yebe kan sansem we ho and I say yebe kan we ho insem. Enti this press release is coming from the Ministry of Information, signed by the PR unit, but omabo a Minister of Information edi ewo meeting person me kind that paragraph emma or say the Minister of Information Kwadwo Opon Nkrumah MP has in a telephone conversation. This place is not appearing. All right, so with management and staff of the station asked that the office of the coordinated mechanism on the safety of journalism at journalist. Okay, that part is not appearing on my screen, but yebeto also. So this is the part this is the press release Ministry of Information. Yebeto also ni Ghana Police Service. Almost somebody say Ghana Police Service. Okay, it says that 10,000 reward for credible information that will lead to the arrest of suspects who vandalize Radio Ada or Ada radio station. It's wow betimi a providing information no ye betimi aye sadie we so e de ama ye betimi ama we 10,000 Ghana cedis ebusuam ensem bi ai kan ye ni mu ho nti na ya tena se a wonim se HYTV ye won sempa e de ma ho nti ene ye ntena.
Already, yeah, I can't.